In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the VAT scheme in Xero. If you're managing financial records and notice that your VAT scheme needs adjusting, don't worry, you're in the right place. A few simple steps will guide you through the process, ensuring your financial settings align with your current business requirements. To begin, open up Xero and look towards the top of your screen. You'll see various options displayed on the top bar. What we're interested in is the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on this. When you do, a drop-down menu should appear, presenting you with several options to choose from. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for Accounting Settings. Selecting this option will take you to the relevant part of your Xero account where you can make the necessary changes to your tax settings. Once you've clicked Accounting Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll find different options related to your financial configurations. Your next stop is Financial Settings. Click on Financial Settings to enter an area where you can adjust a variety of financial parameters, including your VAT configurations. Now you're at the part of Xero where you can directly interact with your VAT details. Here, you'll be able to edit the VAT scheme, which refers to the system by which your VAT is calculated and accounted for. This might mean switching between schemes based on your business's requirements or simply updating existing information. Additionally, if you need to adjust details such as the period, how frequently you report and pay VAT, or the VAT number itself, this is the right place to do so. There might even be other VAT-related financial settings that require a look over, and now's the time to make those updates. And there you have it. These are the steps to change your VAT scheme in Xero, ensuring your accounting practices accurately reflect your business's current state. It's a straightforward process, yet very important to get right for your financial accuracy and compliance. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.